people, welcome to Your Shares. In the last video, we discussed that binary language is the only language understood by computer. So, now let's see how everything is converted into binary and how the memory allocation takes place. Come on, let's travel into the world of memory and explore numbers. We know that all the data is stored in memory, but we already said that everything is converted to zeros and ones. So, the memory required to store 0 or 1 is called a bit. 8 such bits combine to form a byte. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte. Okay, now with that knowledge of memory, moving on, let's understand decimal and binary numbers. Numbers with base 10 are called decimal numbers. They consist of numbers from 0 to 9. Numbers with base 2 are called binary numbers. They consist of zeros and ones. After knowing that, let's see how to convert a decimal number into binary. For that, we should take the number and keep on dividing it with until you get the final answer as 0 or 1. In this process, you should note down the remainder in every step beside. For example, take the decimal number 17. Divide it with 2. 2 8 16. So, remainder is 1. So, it is noted side of that. Now, 2 fours 8. So, remainder is 0. Now, 2 twos 4. So, remainder is 0. Now, 2 ones 2. So, remainder is 0. Here we got the final answer as 1. Now, start from that 1 and read it from bottom to top. It sounds like 10001. This is the binary representation of number 17. Congratulations! Now you are ready to convert any number to binary. But how to convert a binary to decimal? Here is the method. Write the binary number. Under that, starting from right, mention 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, so on, which are 1, 2, 4, so on. Take the bottom number and multiply it with top number. Repeat it for every bit and add them finally. For example, 010011 is the binary number. Now, as said above, take 1 and multiply it with 1. Now, multiply 1 with 2 and 0 with 4 and 0 with 8, 1 with 16 and 0 with 32. Now add this. You will get the output 19. So 19 is the decimal form of binary number 01001. Fine. Now we understand that there are two systems. There are decimal number system, binary number system, right? Now we have a question for you. What if you were given a big number to convert into binary form? Have you ever thought of it? It's really a hectic task. So, to make this easier, other number systems were developed, which are named as octal number system and hexadecimal number system. 3 bits in binary is equal to 1 octal digit. 4 bits in binary is equal to 1 hexadecimal digit. Come, let's learn more about the number systems. Numbers with base 8 are called octal numbers. They consist of numbers from 0 to 7. Numbers with base 16 are called hexadecimal numbers. They consist of numbers from 0 to 9 and letters from A to F. These letters are numbered as A for 10, B for 11, C for 12 and so on F for 15. Coming to the conversion, now let's convert decimal numbers into octal and hexadecimal. This is same as converting decimal to binary. Only thing is we divide them with 8 and 16 respectively. For example, to convert 100 to octal, divide it with 8. 8 twelves 96. So remainder is 4. Note that beside. 8 ones 8. So remainder is 4. Note it down beside. Now read from bottom to top. It reads as 144. 144 is the octal representation of the decimal number 100. To convert 1000 to hexadecimal, divide it with 16. 1662s 992. Remainder is 8. Note it down. 16 threes 48. Remainder is 14. Note it aside. Now 3 can't be further divided. So read from bottom to top. It is 3, 14, 8. But the letter E stands for 14. So it should be read as 3E8. 3. See how to convert a octal number to decimal. That is a cakewalk and similar to conversion of binary to decimal. Instead of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, we take 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and 8 square so on under each digit from right to left. They are 1, 8, 64 so on. For example, to convert 3542 to decimal number, multiply 3 with 8 cube, 5 with 8 square, 4 with 8 power 1, 2 with 8 power 0 and add them to get 1890, which is the decimal number of the octal number. Now, to convert hexadecimal to decimal, similar process has to be followed. Instead of 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square so on, we take 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 square and so on. Now, we know that A is equal to 10 in the example 3A2. So, multiply 3 with 16 square and A, which is equal to 10 with 16 power 1, 2 with 16 power 0 and add them to get 930, which is the decimal. Now we got a clear picture of number systems. But what about alphabets? How are they understood by computer? Have you ever thought of it? ASCII values comes into picture. They are the numerical codes for alphabets and special characters. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII codes represent the tests in computer, telecommunications and other devices. There are 255 ASCII codes. So, is it necessary to remember all ASCII values? Don't be so worried. It's enough to remember few ASCII codes. Capital A to capital Z, 65 to 90, small a to small z, 97 to 122, 0 to 9, 48 to 57. Let us see some interesting facts about ASCII codes. Every key in keyboard has ASCII value. We can access the keys in keyboard using ASCII values. So now we have got a clear picture of ASCII values. So with this, we are fully equipped with the knowledge of number systems and ASCII codes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe.